Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this one gets much likes, but please kindly subscribe to my channel because today this is going to be a year since I started posting content on YouTube. By the time I started, I was a very small creator. Hoping one day I made it to 100 subscribers. That was my hope back then. I used a small device called Infinite Smart 4. But lately on, I keep posting for subscribers. It's almost hurt my feelings. There was a day that just happened. My first subscriber to my channel is my brother. Yeah, my big brother. And the second was one of my relatives. And the third was one of my relatives. I mostly tell people to subscribe to my channel, but most of them just look at me. I'm a small boy. I don't know what I'm doing. But even though I was a small creator, I do not still give up. I'll keep posting content about drawing, everything I've tried. There's a day I even almost give up, that my brother even encouraged me to continue creating my content, that one day I will get there very soon. Because my goal is to reach 100k subscribers so I can get a play button on YouTube. But I know I will soon achieve that goal. So, what I'm saying today is that today is a year since I started posting content on YouTube, which means my channel is a year old today. So, any edit you can make about my channel, or you can just comment below, up in 1 year to your channel in the comment section. Please guys, you're the one that supported me to this. If not because of you, I won't be here. You subscribed, you liked, you comment, you shared, everything. Thank you, and thanks to God. Without God encouraging me, I won't be able to do this. 100% glorified to God. And thank you for letting me to have 167 subscribers. And before this month's end, we're going for 250 subscribers. Just pray we could get there one day. And there's one thing I wanted to talk about too. I'm a 14-year-old boy. Yes, I started posting content at the age of 13. Now, I'm 14. Yeah, I'm too small to start posting content like that. Well, no worries. God will hit my back. So the only thing I needed you for me to do is now is to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment in case you could even use the sound if you want to. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mostly especially to God. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you for you guys that supported me. Thank you.